every cell begins to glow. I open my heart to faith, and the flows within me. Let the light in, feel the power of God within your soul. Believe and you will rise again. Love renews, faith restores. Golden light moves through my veins, touching every part of me with grace. His mercy fills my being.